Today we're getting all the irrigation trenches trenched. So we got 2 excavators running. We're getting everything at a depth of 18 inches. We're getting prepared to put in about 68 heads. So we got 90,000 square feet of grass going in. We had the dirt work done a couple weeks ago now. Doug Fouts Construction tore it up on the dirt work. They got it all nice and smooth, and now we tore it all up and gonna get these pipes in, and then we'll get it all laid down, compacted, and soil amendments in for the grass.